Hey. Sure, I would love to come to your office and hear about my options for homeowners insurance. Are you available now? Great. I will be right over. Hi, I am Tony Citizen. We just spoke on the phone.
Hello, I am Lola. I would like to welcome you on behalf of the PAL agency. Think of us as your pals when it comes to figuring out the right insurance for you.
Lola. As you know, my entire immediate family recently died in a car crash. My folks left me the house and I adopted my niece. I want to make sure I have the right insurance.
I am so sorry for your loss. Now let's get to the reason you're here. To make me money. Haha, I mean, to protect your equity. Please, go on.
Thank you. Unfortunately, my brother and his wife had only a tiny life insurance policy. My parents paid off the house and canceled their life insurance a few years ago. My niece is a special needs child who goes to a very expensive school. As I am a recent college grad, I don't make a lot of money. All of our equity is in the home. It is therefore very important that I have the right insurance to protect our home so that we have someplace suitable for my niece to live. It will be several years before I am making a comfortable salary. So it is very important that we get this right in the event of an unforeseen disaster, like a fire or flood.
I totally get where you are coming from. Your parents had a homeowner's policy already which we can transfer to your name with the proper documentation. That policy runs about $1,800 a year. It covers fire, as you mentioned, and a host of other disasters such as wind, rain, theft, sewage backup and more. But I also heard you mention flood. That policy will not cover floods.
Oh no. What should I do? I mean, our street has been dry since my parents moved in back in the mid-60s. But I do live less than a mile away from the bay. I recall a few years ago a hurricane was predicted to flood our area. That never happened. But I would like to cover all my bases and insure for that just in case.
Boy, aren't you all doom and gloom?
Well, you know, bad things tend to happen to me. After all, my entire family just passed away. I cannot afford, for my niece's sake, for something catastrophic to happen to our home. We would have nowhere to live. I wouldn't be able to pay for her schooling.
Well, Mr. Citizen, you are in luck. The government runs a program called the National Flood Insurance Program. This program will sell you a flood insurance policy. In fact, when I checked my records, I saw your parents had flood insurance for 20 years. I guess they canceled it when they retired since they never flooded. Are you sure you want it? It's expensive. For your zone it will cost you an extra $450 a year. It never floods where you live.
Well, what does it cover?
It covers the structure of your home for up to $250,000 for damages caused by a flood. You can also purchase contents insurance that can cover up to $100,000 of contents. However, I must warn you, it does not cover anything in a basement. Do you have a basement?
No, I live in a ranch house. A few years ago my parents renovated the entire house and finished the attics, so we have almost an entire second floor. They also redid the kitchen. I would never be able to replace that kitchen if it flooded. The appliances and cabinets were very expensive. It was my mom's dream kitchen.
Well, this flood insurance guarantees they will replace like for like. So if you have a granite countertop, and it was damaged, they would allow you replace it with new granite.
Wow, and the United States government offers this insurance?
Yes. This is because home insurance companies know floods are not profitable. The government wants to help you protect the investment your family has made in your home, and you know it is going to be reliable insurance because you bought it from your government. Still, you are listed in their flood maps as low risk. I really don't think you need it. $450 is a lot of extra money for a recent college grad.
Are you kidding me? $450 is a small price to pay for peace of mind. I definitely want flood insurance. I will forego getting the new Xbox this year and get flood insurance instead. Sign me up.
No problem, if that is what you want, that is what you want. I will sign you up for government-backed flood insurance from the NFIP to cover damage to your home in the event of a flood. It will cover up to $250,000 of repairs against your structure and $100,000 of any contents that are ruined in a flood. It takes 60 days to get approved. I will submit your application today and it will become effective in 60 days once approved. Sound good?
Sounds great to me. Thanks, Lola. I am so glad the government offers this insurance to homeowners like me. I will probably never need it, but it gives me peace of mind.
Well, I am glad I could be able to do that for you. We here at the PAL Insurance Agency like to think we are your pals. Was I your pal today, Mr. Citizen?
I certainly think so. It was nice meeting you. Bye.
See ya.